Oh, all right, let's see what we're doing for today's activity here. Shuffling some machines back to the barn and a couple other side missions.
So this one's good, but I'm not ready for it. If you can just put it out that way.
Okay.
The one behind it is the one that I peeled last summer.
Okay.
And that's the one with the root falling. I think I can salvage it. Wow, I have to say this turned out just like I was hoping. Look at this. When that dries, there will be the lighter and then the darker on the inside. The things he does for me and my crazy ideas. Gotta love it. So yesterday we were out here getting that one cedar that we hauled up, and there's the rest of it. But over here, for 5 years now, I've always wanted to get this pulled out. See if I can get to it now. Which he might have a little trouble getting to, but I know he's been in worse places. I would love to be able to grab at least, I don't know, 10 feet of it. Looks like a long one. It might be too far gone, but I mean the roots, I mean it's solid. So let's see if he can find his way back here and get to it. Man, I sure hope it's worth it, but you know what? He just loves playing in the woods anyway. Or, you know, anything with his machines. Boy, after all this, I better use it for something. Or I am never going to get him to pull another one out again.
Well, we just got a rainstorm. Good for the plots. Look at that, that's a bonus. It didn't fall across the road, so let's hope there's nobody blocking the road, but we had some bad thunderstorms.
Who needs a driveway anyway? Maybe we'll just leave it like that. Alright, I gotta figure out where these guys are going. Hey, wait a second. There's just one more. It's like a really small one. It's, you know, probably the same size as those little ones you just brought. That's up in the front. Do you mind going back and getting that?
It's almost a mile all the way back up to the front.
Yeah.
I promised you 2 today. You know what? It's Black Friday, so you probably got to get in and do some shopping, maybe.
Me? I'm thinking you want to get in and do some shopping.
Wait, I want to go hunting.
Oh.
So, besides, if we get all the work done now, well, there won't be anything to do.
I know. You go hunting, I'll go shopping.
Yeah.
Deal. All right, well, here they both are. I think I can do something with this guy. You know, it was really hard to tell in the woods. It's definitely down to the heartwood. So the all red. I've worked with worse. And I think after you get rid of the sapwood, it'll be fine. And then this guy here, I peeled him, last summer. Yeah. Got all peeled off, and then we had like 100% humidity for like 3 months straight. Okay, a little exaggeration, but close enough. And you can see it's just peppered with mildew, which I think I can treat and get off. But, you know, even if I could save, you know, from this point on to keep the branches out like that, I might just try to do that. No idea what for. Maybe a table leg. That's kind of what I was thinking of this one too. I don't know, so many options. But for now, it's gonna stay out here, and Mother Nature's gonna help me get that clay off. I already pounded it out as much as I could. I'll probably come back and do some more, but we'll let Mother Nature take it for a little bit. But definitely something to look into here. All right, looks like he really is done. That's all right. I worked him pretty hard for a Friday morning.